Hi, my name's Dave with Artificial Grass Liquidators. I'm here to talk to you about the 5 most commonly asked questions in our showrooms. The great thing about Artificial Grass Liquidators is we have 16 different SKUs. The first thing you want to do is understand the application for your project. Questions to ask yourself: do you have pets? Will kids be using the application? Is it high traffic or low traffic? Ultimately, what is the look and feel you're trying to accomplish in your yard? Installing artificial grass on your own is surprisingly easy. When you visit one of our showrooms, our sales associate will provide you a simple 7-step process to complete your project on your own. At Artificial Grass Liquidators, we pride ourselves on customer service. We have 2 options available. We have easy will call pickup or free delivery. Artificial Grass Liquidators has an industry-leading 16-year warranty on our products. One of the big reasons so many homeowners are going to Artificial Grass is because it is maintenance-free and looks great all year long. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video on our 5 most commonly asked questions. If for some reason we didn't answer your question today, please stop by your local showroom, pick up the phone, or visit us on our website. Thank you for choosing Artificial Grass Liquidators.